Have you ever snored loudly while sleeping? Or has someone told you that you stop breathing during the night?
Don't take snoring as very light things. It can lead to more serious complications like sleep apnea, which lead to cardiovascular problems, or daytime sleepiness or fatigue, which can lead to road traffic accidents also. Once you have these symptoms, please contact a pulmonologist for assessment and polysomnography, and which is a sleep study. After you diagnose sleep study, you go for a treatment. Mainstays of treatment are weight reduction as well as CPAP treatment. CPAP is continuous positive airway pressure. So that will lead to benefit for the patient. Daytime sleepiness will be better. Cardiovascular problems will be solved. If you have any snoring issues, please contact Medcare Hospital Sharjah